Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. How are you all? Fine? Okay, good. Yesterday we were studying about in the world of dictionaries, correct? And I told you tomorrow we will study types of dictionaries. There are various different types of dictionaries. Before that, I told you I was finding out some words which the words are same but meanings are different. See this point. Here it is. A dictionary points out. Can you see here? A dictionary points out the different meanings of the words which have the same spellings. Now I have written four examples before you. There are four examples written on the board. How many examples? Four examples. Now first example is BAT bat, and second example is also what? BAT bat. Now words are same. Yes, yes ma'am. You say yes ma'am. This side also BAT bat. This side also BAT bat. But first BAT bat is which one? Which you play in the cricket. Correct? You play in the cricket, that bat. And another bat is what? The bats which hang on the tree. Correct or not? There are various types of bats. In Marathi, for those bats we called what? Wagul. Correct or not? Those bats are hanging on the tree. So word is same, but it is used in two places differently. Bat is an animal and one bat is what? It is a thing used for cricket. Yes or no? To play cricket we use bat. Second word is compact. Now there is one compact. There is a compact powder at home. Yes or no? You have compact powders or not at home? Yes, that round color powder. You have to open it and then you have to put it on your face. That is what? While doing makeup you need compact powder. That is one compact. And second compact means what? Small. Very small. Okay? Small in size. We can say it is very compact. Compact means what? It is very small. Third example is FAIR fair and FAIR fair. Spelling is same, but it is used differently. One fair is what? We have festival at every village. Now because of COVID-19, because of coronavirus, we could not have fairs. Fairs means what? Jatra. You have or not jatra? Gawaच्या जत्रा असतात की नाही? So one fair is that, and another fair is means what? A person who is fair in skin, gora asni. So the word is same, meanings are different. Third one is lie, lie, lie. Now one lie means what? To lie down on the bed. Hey students, you say now to each other. Hey, I want to lie down on the bed for some time. झोपणे, पडणे. Okay, and another lie means what? Not to talk truth, खोटं बोलणे. We say or don't lie to me. एक lie म्हणजे काय? खोटं बोलणे, आणि एक lie म्हणजे काय? झोपून देणे. Understood? One fair means what? Jatra. One fair means what? Rang gora. One compact means what? Small. And the another compact means what? Compact powder which women are using at their houses. Girls might be knowing it very well. Yes or no, Saisha? Correct or not? Nitika might be knowing, Saisha might be knowing. Do your mother use or not compact for you? Yes or no? Come on, tell me. Sejal, are you using or not compact? Yes, many girls. Now, whoever girls are seeing my videos, they might be knowing, yes, our mother is having compact powder. We are also using it when we have functions at home. One is compact powder which we use for makeup, and there is one compact powder, not powder, sorry, one compact means what? Small in the size. Next one is BAT bat. One bat means bat which is played in cricket, and one bat means what? What in Marathi we call it? It hangs on the tree. Daytime it cannot see, night time it can see. So that is one bat. In this way, I wanted to explain you that words, correct or not? Two words but different meanings. Spellings are same, meanings are different. Understood? Now we are going to study first dictionary. Your first dictionary. Take out your page number 24. Here it is children's dictionary. Now in children's dictionary, what is there? Some dictionaries are designed specially for children. They include only a few thousand words, but there are many pictures and diagrams in children's dictionaries. There may also be word games, puzzles and jokes based on the meaning or use of words. Now children's dictionary is for whom? Children's dictionary is for small kids. छोट्या मुलांसाठी डिक्शनरी असते, त्याच्यामध्ये खूप सारे चित्र असतात. ओके. Encyclopedic dictionary is also having a animal encyclopedia, plants encyclopedia, space encyclopedia. In that lot of pictures are there. If you will see those pictures, you will be shocked. Oh, hey, this many pictures are there about in dictionary. So many pictures are there in that dictionary. And what happens? Small kids till 5th standard, they don't understand hard words, and finding out meaning of those hard words, it is very difficult for them. So if there is a picture of that word, immediately they will understand. Oh, see here it is a picture. So beautiful picture it is. So meaning of this word is what? So and so. So first dictionary is children's dictionary. Children's dictionary is having only thousands of words. And Navneet dictionary, you will see Oxford dictionary, those dictionaries are so fat. खूप जाड असतात त्या डिक्शनरीज आणि त्याच्यामध्ये खूप सारे वर्ड्स असतात, मोर दॅन लॅक्स. बट हिअर इट इज टोल्ड दॅट इन चिल्ड्रन्स डिक्शनरी देर आर ओनली thousands ऑफ वर्ड्स अँड दोज वर्ड्स आर डिस्क्राइब्ड विथ द पिक्चर्स. Are you understanding? Or those words are described with what? Those words are described with the help of pictures. So students can see pictures and then find out meaning of the word. Understood? And that dictionary is very small. And it is told that there are puzzles given in the dictionary, there are some jokes given in the dictionary. Okay, that is which dictionary? That is children's dictionary. Second one is pronouncing dictionaries. Some dictionaries provide, I am reading here, some dictionaries provide only the pronunciation of words. It is shown with the help of special symbols. How to pronounce words? And those words they are written in some another way. For example, like this: D, S, K, dash, okay, L, something like this. This is symbol. It is what? It is a symbol. Can you see what? Dictionary is given in the symbol. See here, word dictionary is given in something symbol. Can you see here? Dictionary, something different, only symbols are given. अक्षर उलटे दिसतात का तुम्हाला? ABCD उलटी का बरोबर आहे? उलटी ना. So with the help of these symbols, now these symbols are in which dictionary? These symbols are in pronunciation dictionary. Which dictionary? Pronunciation or pronouncing dictionaries. We studied two dictionaries. Which are those? We studied children's dictionary. Children's dictionary. After that we studied pronouncing dictionaries. Pronouncing dictionaries. In children's dictionary, what is there? In children's dictionary we have thousands of words are there, and around 1000 of words are there, and this dictionary contains various types of pictures. खूप सारे चित्र असतात children's dictionary मध्ये, and even it has some puzzles, it has jokes. Correct? Which dictionary is having word games are there? Puzzles, you know about it. Squares are given and then you have to find out names of fruits, names of animals. So that dictionary is children's dictionary. In pronouncing dictionary only pronunciations are given. Pronunciation म्हणजे काय? उच्चार. If you want to pronounce something, dictionary, then it is broken into, it is written like this. Then you have to pronounce it with the help of these symbols. With the help of such type of symbols, you have to pronounce words. Now, for example, here dictionary word is given. D-I-K. See, like this something is done. D-I-K. Front side what is given? Like this is given, and R-I. Again like this line is drawn. Now this is what? Dick. D-I-K. D-I-K means what? Dick. And snuff, re. Okay? Dick, snuff, re. Can you see what? Three parts are there. You have to pronounce in which way? Dick, Dictionary. That is done in which dictionary? It is done in pronouncing dictionary. कोणत्या डिक्शनरी मध्ये दिलेले असतात तसे वर्ड्स? प्रोनाउन्सिंग डिक्शनरी मध्ये दिलेले असतात. ओके, and pronunciation is having such type of symbols. Like the symbols are given in pronouncing dictionaries. That is our second dictionaries which we studied. Third one dictionary is given, dictionaries of synonyms. Synonyms means what? Similar meaning words. Words which have similar meaning words. Words are different but meaning is same. Correct? Meanings, now here words were same, meanings were different. There words are different. Similar meaning. Words are different but meaning is same. Understood? Here spellings are same but here they are what? Similar meaning, similar spelling words. We are going to study dictionaries of synonyms. Synonyms means what? Similar meaning words. Words will be different but meaning will be same. शब्द वेगळे असतील पण त्यांचा मीनिंग काय असणार आहे? सेम असणार आहे. मीनिंग म्हणजे काय? अर्थ. Here it is told that some dictionaries give list of synonyms, words which have similar meaning. They may also include antonyms or opposites. Antonyms means opposite words. Synonyms means what? Similar meaning words. Antonyms means what? Opposite words. Are you understanding or not? Opposites म्हणजे काय? विरुद्धार्थी शब्द. Synonyms means what? समानार्थी शब्द in Marathi. Synonyms means what? समानार्थी शब्द, similar meaning words. Antonyms means what? Opposite words, विरुद्धार्थी शब्द. Understood? And dictionary of synonyms and antonyms is also there in the market. Market मध्ये आहे डिक्शनरी. कसली? सिनॉनिम्सची आणि अँटोनिम्सची. नेक्स्ट डिक्शनरी इज व्हिज्युअल डिक्शनरीज. Visual dictionaries. Some dictionaries contain only visuals or pictures. They do not have to explain the meaning in words as the visuals speak for themselves. The visuals may be in the form of photographs, diagrams or hand-drawn pictures. They are all labeled. See the simple visual given alongside. In the same way, even complicated machines or systems are made simple in a visual dictionaries. Visual dictionaries means what? In which you can only see pictures. Dictionary in which you will see all types of pictures. Heading will be given, name will be given of the picture. Now for example here it is given a plant. Are you understanding? A plant. Plant means what? Then you have to see this picture. Understood? Spacecraft. Spacecraft will be written and then there will be a photo of spacecraft, means satellite. You have to see photo and then you have to imagine कि बाबा हे काय आहे? हे स्पेसक्राफ्ट आहे. रॉकेट. करेक्ट? दे विल ओनली गिव हेडिंग रॉकेट and there will be picture of rocket. Are you getting or not? Such type of dictionaries are known as visual dictionaries. Today we studied how many types of dictionaries? We studied 4 types of dictionaries. First one, children's dictionary. Second one, pronouncing dictionaries. Third one, dictionaries of synonyms. And fourth one, visual dictionaries. We studied 4 types of dictionaries. There are more 2 types of dictionaries that we will complete in tomorrow's period, as well as we will complete question answers in tomorrow's period. Okay, whatever is possible that we are going to try to complete. Okay, thank you.